Just arrived in Zimbabwe. We are about to go to Victoria Falls. That is Gino's Creative Cooking reporting from Victoria Falls in Zimbabwe. Victoria Falls, Zimbabwe. You see how beautiful it is. Real beautiful. Real beautiful. Is Victoria Falls in Zimbabwe now. Isn't that beautiful? That's beauty right there. You see that? Woo! Nice. Beautiful, beautiful, right? Check that out. Going through Victoria Falls. Continue right along. You can see the back of it there. Just too gorgeous, right? Yeah. Yeah.
What? I think that's where they call that level school. Yeah. Oh no.
Wow.
There are a lot of great people here.
That is great. You can go up there. I said, don't tell me that there's anybody who can stand there. No. Wow. Look at that. And you are talking about bravery here. That's some serious bravery if you can go to that. Let me show you. Woo! Too misty. I gotta continue to go to Victoria Falls on the other side. This place is just gorgeous. Telling you, if you come to the southern part of Africa, you're gonna have so much fun. Make sure you come to the big falls. Right now it's like sprinkles and sprinkles of water everywhere. It's just plain gorgeous. Whoa, island view. Let's see how the island view is gonna look like. Woo. 8 main falls. Bridge view, Boiling Port. Does this mean something?
Yeah, because the water is turning.
The water is turning around?
Yeah, that's what they call it.
Oh, okay. This means the water is turning around. So let's go and see the water that's turning around. Boiling point. Woo! This is where it's happening. It's happening over here, people. It's happening. Look at that. It is. Whoa. End of the bridge in Big Falls. This is the end. This is the end. Now end of our tour. End of Victoria Falls. We got some dancing going on here. We are loving it. out in Vic Falls now. We're gonna enter this restaurant. Oh, check out the restaurant.
No. I'm like a little milk necklace. Yeah, so we were on the milk. We were looking at it from, I guess, the other side.
Down there.